Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Line up the world code once, yeah, you see me?
Yeah.
So, you don't want to go nowhere, so go look.
No, when that one.
You don't want to go look if you see nowhere, no other places or nothing. You don't want nothing.
No, I want that one here, baby.
Got you, and then to me here with the one out there now I go woogo me that pre now wanna say you know I'm come and ask you what you don't want if you get something. Me know say you don't want say one washing machine come here out there go boo 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 and don't know right so this machine now rinsing and me see you for that kind of some of the son of a prank
you left the clothes them on me do and come boy ya prank. Me can't bother the foolishness in a way.
Then a video where we have excited a video where I do for the people them.
TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
Check it out. Guys, welcome back to another video, and you know this is the vlog, and as you know this is Daddy Wayne, and this is your TV, my TV, our TV. Saying, and today we have a little surprise. We'll give Mommy here a little surprise today, because me hear she out there wash. Me I want she know some other surprise. See? So we'll keep it a secret. Me hear she out there wash and me hear the machine from where you hear the machine upon woo. Then when she done, me hear she a cuss and say the machine a make be nice and it now wash because when it come out with the soap on it same like it now spin or nothing because I make be nice. So me look me see she there now one line of clothes now because the machine now work right. So a pan me see she gone back to a washing a pan. You see me? So now I say oh God. You need to see how should I? How should I? You need to see how. You need to see how. You need to see how. Be a nice near the machine and she a use a wash. She can use the machine and very far again. So she should have one line of clothes there already on the line. And she's there right I can't just wash. See? So I get her a surprise tell her if we load the washing and thing me and her go up on the road and we go look on a machine and I go get her a machine. You understand? So you don't know the vibes. So come go check her out and surprise her. See? And make sure you know it's a stopwatch. Why babes it rough on you. The machine now give you justice.
Nah, wash properly man.
So you have to wash with your hand.
Yeah, wash with my hand.
Okay. Say if you forget something now, you don't more want a washing machine now more than anything else.
Yes, babes, what you expect?
Because I want to know work good. Alright, today your day. No, come here and give you a surprise. Today your day. Stop wash. Leave that right there, sir. Don't touch nothing more. Put on that.
Yes, some foolishness, no?
Put on that nothing and come get ready. Me I go up on the road. Me I get your washing machine.
You buy one washing machine?
Yeah. I get the washing machine. Because I say you get it from morning and I wash the whole for clothes on the line and something, see there? And you're not done yet and you still there wash plus yes. See machine right now get no justice. All it do a woogo and now go on with nothing. So now make sure get ready and we'll go up on the road and go see if she see a machine what she like. Seeing? And if she see a machine what she like, we'll go line it up and make sure have it. Seeing? So when we reach on the road I'll check out the machine. It now wash.
Now wash. When you close them come out of the machine, I'll be a sod them on it same way.
Pure sun.
Yeah, I have to wash them over in a pan.
Oh, so you put them in the machine and them go and come out pure sod upon them still.
Them when them done
Then you have to go now and wash them over but now in a pan. You have to wash.
You have to wash them
Alright,
over.
get up yourself ready and nice up and thing. And me I go do the road. You understand? And we go you look and see a machine where you like. And we can afford and we make you have it. Yeah? Because I go deal with something but I say true, I see the machine now again and justice me now kind of me say I go make that delay and use that and get your machine, because you really need it and you deserve it, you understand? So nice up yourself and get ready. We'll go up on the road and we'll get you a nice machine. Yeah? So you don't know the vibes, family. See? Catch you when you reach on the road. We'll check out a nice machine for Mommy Tia, so she not have to wash with no more hand. So you don't know the vibes, because the one which you have gone, now give her no more justice. See? So you don't know the vibes. Stay tuned. Remember, thumbs up the video, you know. Seeing? Always thumbs up the video. And remember, subscribe if you're not. Seeing? If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bell, so when the video them drop, you get them right away, yeah? Alright, so we see you in a few. Seeing? Alice Clark, one love. Wake up and live freelance style. Yeah? Yes, man.
Yeah, my people, so ready now, me and Mommy Tia. If you hear the AC blowing in the background, you know, because we coming out of the car right, it parking and it sound hot, so kind of cool down. You understand? So we up on the way of carry Mommy Tia now, make sure go look on a machine. So if she see a machine what she like, washing machine. Yeah, then them not see. Them not see from the first. We say, are your washing machine now work good? Because them see how the washing machine are going. So may I treat Mommy Tia to a washing machine. Too much nice and it now do the work properly neither. You understand? Right. It sound like it a wash, but when it come out, the soap does step on something same here like it never did that. Ruku. It doesn't make noise. You understand? So she have to end up a fair wash with hand. So I eat me say alright. Me I go help out Mommy Tia now. See? And make it easier for her. So we are treat her to a washing machine. So we dep on way now. I go check out and make sure see where she like. You understand? So when we reach at the store, we check in. See? So remember, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Because Mommy Tia happy. So give the video a thumbs up. You understand? And stay log on. Yeah? Don't log off. We soon come back. Yeah man, like now. Alright, yeah my people, so alright, we'll take down this. So watch it now. We stay so now we reach at the store now. See? Well, we have see some nice washing machine through the showcase window there. So we are going to go inside and go take a look and make Mommy look and see if she see a machine which she like and which she don't want. You understand? Because the machine is not give her a good treatment, so we are deal with her nice. You understand? So you don't know. Make sure you thumbs up the video. You more than deserve it, yes. You more than deserve it. So we are winding up a window them now. And we are go inside now. And we're going to check it out. Oh, I have to have on a mask now. Take out my mask. You wanna come with me? I don't carry my vlog stick, you know. I don't carry my vlog stick, you understand? So we are going there and go see which one Mommy like. And then we'll come back to me, yeah? So you don't know the vibes. Let me see there in the place. I shall check out our machine then. It's a glass door. Now none of the something on the inside like this. Just have to hold it for money. Just have to hold it for money. Fully button. You understand? The next one, eh? Same price range every time. Small. And then see our next one also. Same right now, the stuff inside right now. Same way. 4 nice one. I say this looks big inside of this big. The big spread can put in it. It's deeper than that, yeah. And a whirlpool too. Don't look bigger, you know? No, it's deeper. It's deeper, but the one the wider. Which one I like? You have to look and check out which one I like. Either this or this. So any one of them I get with a glass piece. Alright, so the price will stay on down. Yeah.
see, so one of them I want, you just choose one out of the two of them because the price range are much different. Price range are much different, so anyone you want. You want that one? And the one is Whirlpool. So we need a rather work with the Whirlpool. And the Whirlpool can go up and soak. Yeah, see nothing there as a soak. This supposed to be full of buttons to 18 and this is what?
It's no sense.
It's 18 kg. I don't see how much left on this. They said this is how much. I see them 18 kg, the two of them. So which one I say you really want? The Whirlpool?
I just the name, that's why I'm afraid of it.
Oh, you're afraid of the name? Yeah. So you want to stick to the name where you know then?
No, yeah.
So you want to stick to the Whirlpool, so the Whirlpool you want then?
Yeah.
Alright, so when you hear it, my people, when we want the Whirlpool.
Yeah,
you see me? Alright, so mommy I say she want the Whirlpool one. See?
Yeah.
The Whirlpool one you want?
Yes, man.
So we have to line up the Whirlpool one
Yes,
for you.
yes.
You see me?
Yeah.
So we have go, you don't want to go nowhere else to go look?
No, when that one
You don't
year
want to go
more.
look if you see nowhere,
No.
no other places or
No.
nothing?
1 year more.
You don't want nothing?
No, I want that 1 year, babes. I'm tired, I'm not gonna go.
Alright, we'll go out to the car and we'll line up and thing and deal with it. See? So we'll go out to the car and then now we'll line up and then we'll sort it out and make it happen.
What kind of deal with
Just hold on, we'll go out to the car. We'll go out to the car, we'll link on up back. Car, we'll go outside. Alright, so we'll go outside and we'll check it out and then we'll come back and see what we want. You understand? So, you don't know the vibe. So, family will go check out a machine and mommy to show one where she love. You understand? Where she like. So, she picked two choice. You understand? And I say, any one of them that can work. You understand? So, what we are going to do now? Seeing? We are going to make mommy to know. Wow, go on Babylon. Look at where we are. We are going.
Go for a while.
So we not go. We not buying a machine now.
So be foolishness. We may not buy a machine now.
We don't have money for buy a machine out here. Whisper me I get money for buy the machine now.
So you carry me up here and make me excited up myself. Think so you buy a washing machine for me?
Me want to buy a washing machine, but me just want to come look on the price them and say I saw them dear, so me not can help you out. Because through and then through me here with the one out there now I go wuggo, me that pre now wanna say, I come and ask you what you don't want if you get something. Me know say you don't want say one washing machine come here out there I go boo 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 and then done me here say this machine nah rinse and I'm see out there upon a rinse. Some of the some I go prank you.
Left the clothes them on me I do and come by your prop. I can't bother the foolishness in a way.
Then a video where we have extra a video where I do for the people them. A video where I do when you do all kind of things to me, me not vex.
Them foolishness, yeah, man. All things that me ever tell you to drive out a yard and
so no, so we have to do a little video sometime, drive out and nothing for vex, sir.
Alright, look at the camera now. Come camera home.
So you have vex, sir. At least you don't get a drive out.
You never tell someone want to drive out? You see me there when I wash my clothes not with a pan peacefully, you come drive me out and tell me where you going to buy a machine.
Family are revenge, you understand? Because them plan up and cut off me and do all kind of thing to me. You understand? And then when it come round back now, them are vex. Hush man, come on, give me a hug man.
Leave me alone,
just stop asking at you, nobody vex man.
Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Vex, nobody vex man. Give me a hug.
I don't want to hug. Look at the camera now.
So you turn it back to my part. Sit down good night chair and stop
I don't want to sit down good night chair. Leave me alone, man.
So we are trying to say you know, vex? No, nothing for you vex, babes. Family, she vex, you know. She vex, you know, because she can't take a joke. Me take any serious joke. She can't take a joke. No, I understand still too you the wash. I'm come over with the intention and say, yeah, I get brand new washing machine now. No money for buying a washing machine now for you babes.
maybe that like next year, you know, so see an investment in a deal there now. So every dollar will be earning, so as far as it go. Because I have to try set my empire. You understand? Yeah. Because me that try build a next person empire, but I realize why me I go a build a person thing where don't give a rat ass about me. So me can come and set up my own structure and build my own thing. So I build the thing now. You understand? So I know the money can spend on a machine now. So I stop vex out there. Turn around, man, and stop vex, man. Come now. Come on, share vex, you know. So you don't know, you know. We soon in our next episode. You heard? Like, share and subscribe. You don't know the vibes, cause shall move away. See? So look more here.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Dress up on the road. I expect she to come back and wash with her machine you know.
Come down, come get me still and wash.
Why?
I'm going to the pan on the yard and they don't wash from sun hot. Let me dress up, go for a road. And I have my daughter clothes them forward. And the machine now wash. Let the clothes them come out of the machine.
They do so, they do me make me dress up and do the show flour and ice water upon me and then something there. One day thing, man. Go back in the country style, the old time days. You see me? You have to do some of the old time style. You see me? Yeah. Make sure do some of the old time style when people used to have to wash the river and pipe stand. But washing machine. I get no washing machine. Yeah, man, they look more better when you wash the whole of it. You wash with machine. No machine, so I guess.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Yeah, that's not that. I mean, I put on one and two, to line up the computer for doing editing. But through the machine, you know, emergency, that's another. Put the computer on hold and make sure get a machine. So I was surprised her still. But that I in another video. We will see this in a part 2. So if you want to see part 1, I want to see part 2 now. Me prank her to show I get machine and I never get her the machine. So but I will surprise her with the machine now. See? So when you don't know the vibes, make sure you like up the video here. And make sure you subscribe and click that notification there. So when the video then drop, you know the vibes. You understand? So you don't know how it was already. See? Bless up. Alice Clark, one love, always. Rastafari, freelance style. Make up on you.
For all time, they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.